Hello and welcome to All About Celebrities Worldwide channel. The video is about Taekook spotted going after using private jet for a trip date recently. A special latest clipping complete detail, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then go click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any update. So today, this moment of Taehyung and Jungkook is getting viral because we all know that Taekook many times traveled to so many places for their private trip together. They even went on so many trip dates together, and today this is getting shared, which is basically a private jet moment. Taekook was seen going after using private jet after trip date, and this is the recent leak moment of Taekook. So that's it till now. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. See you guys in next video.